travel, crown travel. That's the lake. Heading to Norristown. Just get away by yourself, explore. It's your world, your life. No one else can make you happy but yourself. You gotta bring yourself comfort, joy. Sometimes just go into nature, enjoy nature, the beauty of the world, your world. Is it called water harbor or what? Recycled water? So right now we're arriving in Norristown. Pretty windy out here. Go and see yourself. This is how it looks. Oh God. Oh, it'll be all over there. That's just all the way up there. If you look on my back. Well, it's a DJ player, you can't take me to see, but that's great.
you're new to this, please like and subscribe to KRAHN Travel. I'm going right over there to see what it's selling over there. It's in that city hall. Answer some of let's check it out. Hi man. Hi. Nah, just there you go. Alright. Okay. Good enjoy your day, man. It's kinda windy out here. Yeah. So we're gonna see what we can get from right here. We're just going. Norristown. Oh, this is beautiful. All the flowers. Not flowers, but leaves. Flowers. See everything. That's how Norristown looked like during December. Pretty quiet. Looked like a dead time, but no. Cars are moving. People are active, you know. Across the street, that's a love firm right there. You need some crabs. They got a long fast crabs. They got like different stores all over. And they got seafood over here. It looks like it's close to me. There's still let's go see this one. Oh, it's like a flower store right here. And here in the burrito joint said open, but let me see in here. See if it's really open. The food. You got no tacos? Uno. Beef. Steak? ¿Cuánto de dinero? $371? I see. Good. Yes. So, right now, because of the pandemic, it's pretty empty. We're in Norristown. And that's the kitchen right there. That's the chef. So now I got to get food here. This is how it works. Put it aside, you know. But now it's up to you. You got this? Got it like that. The move, you know, you travel, you had no time, like short time. You want to get something to eat real quick when you stop in the city. That's what you do. So hopefully, put more hot sauce on it. It feels good. All right, gracias, adios. She's walking. That food, it was just a taco, just a single taco. It was good, a little spice in it. That was kind of warm my body up a little bit because it's kind of windy out here, you can see. If you can't help me, don't forget, it's your first time. On the right, just click it. It's called subscribe. Thanks for your support. It's like super windy and you hear that? That is windy. All the way over. Behind that building, that's the SEPTA station right there. Very busy street. I feel like jewelry. I'm too broke to buy jewelry. Oh, I found an African store right there. So let's see if you check this one out. There's an African store here in Norristown. And this is street is in. It's like beautiful. I never seen it before. Wow, nice. So, but I'm across the street some kind of way. Come here, put my nosy ass over there real quick to Norristown and see what they're doing. I'm like super nosy, so we're gonna protect these people real quick. Hi, how you doing? How you doing? What is it that you're setting up here? Hi. I'm not a bad guy. I'm just nosy, that's it. What is y'all doing?
We're getting some stuff together for the homeless.
Oh, okay, that's good. So it's a church, right?
No, we all live in Montgomery County and we just came
Oh,
together.
for the community.
Yeah.
All right, that's good.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have a good one. Well, the lady said they were doing it to help the homeless. That's good. At least a lot of people care. It's over here in Norristown, PA. And dumb people are good people, just trying to help the homeless. There's the transportation center right here, as you can see.
Afternoon, local training center, City of Philadelphia, making all local stops. As a reminder, for your safety as well as the other passengers in your immediate area, you are required to have a face mask, face covering, covering your mouth and your nose during your entire trip on this train. Once again, all passengers are required to have a face covering, face mask, covering your nose and mouth through your entire trip. Next stop, KRAHN.
I'm going the other one.
Go right there. That's where you stop from.
No, I want to sit over there.
Well, you have to wait till the train stops.
Next stop. Oh, next stop? All right.
I know, it's the same thing. Have you got one of these?
Oh, no, thank you. Gracias.
I thought you said something. I knew it. Over here.
You either pay by cash or you pay by ticket online. Houses in the way. It's like condominiums. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our KRAHN channel. Subscribe, please. Give me a like. I'm doing all this just for your entertainment and enjoyment. Tell me what city you want to see, what town, what state. And I go there, give some information about the woods and stuff.
Hey, mommy. Are you home?
And it's like, it's the river over there, but I don't know what river is that over there, as you can see. I like your mask. Fenced it, yeah. that's the railway touristy things.
But they got the tags. They drive by and they get a hit. They told you.
It's beautiful, and it's kind of dry right now. Maybe might be lucky and see the deer or the moose going by, if you think so.